Welcome back to the Fuji Guy's channel. My name is Francis. So today we are going to take a look at what comes in the box of the brand new FUJIFILM GFX100S. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Alright, so without further ado, let's take a look at what comes in the box of the brand new FUJIFILM GFX100S. So opening up the box, we can see that we have two QR codes. So one is for the user manual and then one is for the camera remote app. So that if you don't already have the FUJIFILM camera remote app on your phone or tablet, you can scan the QR code and download it. Now, next up, we do have some warranty information as well as a Capture One pamphlet that lets you know how to get the Capture One Fujifilm Express software for free so that you can work on your RAW files. So let's put that to the side. Now getting to this compartment here, we will find a USB-C to USB-C cable, so that will allow you to charge the camera as well as transfer images. Next, we do have our power brick. So USB-C, so simply plug in the USB-C cable here and then plug that in onto the camera, and then you'll be charging your camera. Now, in the box, you will find various adapters for the charging block so that if you travel, you have access to all the different adapters here, here, and here. So myself, I'm going to use this one. So simply slide it in and then you're good to go. Next, we have our camera strap. So a nice padded Fujifilm camera strap. And then we have our cable lock. So this will allow you to make sure your connection is secured if you're shooting tethered or if you're using an external recorder to feed an HDMI signal out to the recorder itself. That will make sure that your cable are nice and secure and you won't have any disconnections happening. So let's put that here. And then lastly, for this compartment, we will find our NPW235 battery that's used to power the GFX100S. So let's put that here. And then lastly, we get to the camera itself. So let's just take it out and then move the box away. And then here we have our GFX100S. So let me lay it out nicely for you so that you can see everything that comes into the box. So let's put the NPW235 inside the camera. That's where it goes. And then let me show you how to connect the cable lock. So at the lower part of the port section, just line it up. So the screw goes at the bottom, just line it up and then start screwing it in. And there you go. You have your cable lock attached. And if you connect any cable, you can just loop them through the hook. Now let's remove it. And then here we go. All right, so that wraps it up for the unboxing of the brand new FUJIFILM GFX100S. Now, if you'd like to know more about this and other Fujifilm products, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. Now, until next time, c'était Francis pour the Fuji Guys.